This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The tools and topics shown are meant to raise awareness, not encourage misuse.
Before and after. Stop slapping photos on top of frame. It look really fake, okay? It looks so fake. In today's video, I will show you how to make it look so perfect like this on any frame. Any kind of frame you try it on, it will look so perfect with PixelLab. The tools we are using today is PixelLab. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe, like this video, share and comment, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell for you not to miss out of my next content. If you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you. If you are new here, subscribe and join the family. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. You are welcome back, guys. So right now all you have to do is to bring in your frame image. So I just used the one for tumbling as an example. I'm still the one that done it myself. So you have to click on here and use image from gallery. That is how you bring in the first frame image you want to use. Okay, so once you select your image, all you have to do is just to click on the mark. I don't want to have any problem with community guideline by showing my gallery. That's why I'm pausing the video and I want to go to my gallery. The next thing you have to do right now is to bring in your image you want to put on this frame. And this, for you to do that, this is where you have to click on. You click on this place, import. So you bring in your photo like this. Okay, once you bring in your photo, I think you are good to go. Are we recording? Yes, we are recording. So once you bring it in like this, what you have to do is to go to your tools called perspective. Okay, once you click on it, the next thing you will do is you enable it. Now you click on your zoom button, this one right here. Once you click on it, you use your two hands to zoom it. If you use your one, you'll be moving it around. You have to, just as if you want to zoom pictures, that's how you zoom it. So once you see it to a big size, you have to wait. Then if you zoom picture, if you click on this zoom icon, you won't be able to click anything on your screen anymore. So you have to click on this plus sign from this zoom to be able to click something on it. Then you can now arrange your picture very well. All you have to do is then you can zoom it again, go down, place it to the right corner that you should place it on. You understand that? Then you come here as well, place it here, then you go up as well, you place it to the right angle. Okay, so and after you done that, you check your work very well to make sure you are doing something good. So for you to do that, you have to tap on this. This is what we have before. Then you tap on this number for you to go back to your normal size back. Then you click on the plus icon so that you can be able to click your work. Then you're done. Can you see that? That's a very good. And let's say, yeah, you can say, but this one is straight now, but the other one I use as my tumbling is bent. So let's try another frame. I will just click on this place and use from gallery. So I'm pausing the video. So I choose another frame from my gallery. As you can see, the next thing I will do right here is to go to my persistive. Then you drag it down to the angle you drag it down to every angle. Can you see? This is not a straight. It's not straight, everybody knows. So you drag it down to every angle, even without zooming. It's because I'm already a professional in this. That's why it's very, very easy for me like that. So what I will do right now, I need to zoom so that I can make it perfect. Can you see that? Make it perfect like that. Do you see that? You check all the angle. Once they are good, okay, I think we need to adjust this angle. I think we need to adjust, and then we adjust it. Now you can just give it shadow so that it makes sense. The shadow should be very, very low, like 2%. Okay, then you return your full screen back to normal size. As you can see, we get the same results as we expected. So that is that about how to fit in your image into a frame. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell for you not to miss out on my next content. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another hotkey. Bye.